Welcome to the House Lux Estate channel, your go-to source for all things home-related. We're all about creating a harmonious balance between style, comfort, and organization. With us, you can expect to uncover the best home tips, hacks, and inspirational ideas to transform your living space into a haven of tranquility. We're here to make your home life a little less chaotic and a lot more enjoyable. Today, we will be sharing the 10 habits of highly organized people. Stay tuned to find out how to make your life more organized and stress-free. The first habit of organized people is that everything in their home has a place. It's not just about neatness or aesthetics, it's about efficiency and ease. Imagine the minutes you've spent looking for that one elusive item. Now, think about how that time could have been better spent if every item in your home had its own designated spot. Having a place for everything isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about creating a system that works for you and your lifestyle. It might mean designating a drawer for all of your tech gadgets, or setting up a station for your morning coffee ritual. This habit is about more than just saving time. It's about reducing stress and creating a sense of order in your environment. It's about creating a space that supports your goals and your well-being. So take a moment to look around your home. Do your belongings have a place? Remember, when everything has a place, you reduce clutter and save time searching for items. The second habit of organized people is that they plan ahead. This is not just about jotting down birthdays or appointments on a calendar. No, it's much more comprehensive than that. It's about meal planning, scheduling tasks, setting goals, and even planning downtime. Imagine knowing what's for dinner every night of the week. No more last-minute panic or relying on takeout. Picture having a clear roadmap for your day, your week, even your month. Tasks that were once overwhelming suddenly become manageable when they're broken down into smaller planned actions. But let's not forget about setting goals. Organized people don't just stumble upon success. They plan for it. They outline their steps, they track their progress, and they adjust their plans when necessary. And finally, planning downtime. Yes, you heard that right. Organized people understand the importance of recharging, so they plan time for rest and relaxation. Planning ahead not only helps you stay organized, but it also reduces stress and increases productivity. The third habit of organized people is that they declutter regularly. Decluttering, in essence, refers to the process of removing unnecessary items from an area. This habit is not just about creating a visually pleasing space, but it's also about improving functionality and efficiency. When you declutter, you make room for what truly matters. It's about clearing the excess and focusing on the essentials. You know, it's like pruning a tree. You remove the old and dead branches to allow new ones to grow. Regular decluttering transforms a chaotic, crowded space into one of tranquility and productivity. It eliminates distractions, reduces stress, and saves time. No more hours wasted searching for that elusive remote or your favorite pair of socks. Moreover, decluttering is not a colossal, once-in-a-blue-moon task. Organized individuals make it a routine. They keep a vigilant eye out for clutter and tackle it head-on, bit by bit, day by day. Regular decluttering helps maintain an organized home and reduces the time spent cleaning. Let's continue with the remaining habits of highly organized people. Habit 4 is about keeping a to-do list. Organized people understand the power of writing things down. They don't rely on their memory to remember tasks and deadlines. Instead, they have a to-do list where they jot down everything that needs to be done. This could be anything from buying groceries to completing a work assignment. They review this list daily and prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. This habit keeps them focused and ensures they never forget to do something important. The fifth habit is about avoiding procrastination. Organized people don't put off tasks until the last minute. They understand that procrastination only leads to stress and poor quality work. Instead, they tackle tasks immediately or schedule them for a specific time. This way, they can complete their tasks efficiently and without rushing. Habit 6 is about keeping only what they need. Organized people are not hoarders. They understand that every item in their space should serve a purpose or bring them joy. If it doesn't, they get rid of it. This habit helps them to maintain a clutter-free environment, which is easier to keep tidy and organized. The seventh habit is about making their beds every morning. This might seem like a small and insignificant task, but it sets the tone for the rest of the day. By making their bed, organized people start their day with a sense of achievement. This motivates them to maintain the same level of order and productivity throughout the day. Habit 8 is about cleaning as they go. Organized people don't let mess accumulate. They understand that it's much easier to clean a small mess immediately than to tackle a large mess later on. So, they clean up after themselves, whether it's washing dishes immediately after a meal or putting things back in their place after using them. This habit helps them to maintain a clean and organized environment at all times. The ninth habit is about making use of storage solutions. Organized people understand that every item should have a designated place. They use storage solutions like shelves, baskets, and boxes to store their belongings. These solutions help them to categorize and organize their items, making it easier to find what they need when they need it. Finally, habit 10 is about consistency. Organized people understand that organization is not a one-time task, but a daily habit. They consistently practice these habits every day, even when they don't feel like it. This consistency helps them to maintain their levels of organization over time. These habits might seem small, but when practiced consistently, they can make a significant difference in your levels of organization. Let's recap the 10 habits of highly organized people that we discussed today. Firstly, remember that everything has a place. Organized people keep their surroundings tidy by ensuring that each item has its own designated spot. If something doesn't have a home, it's time to find one or let it go. Secondly, they plan ahead. Whether it's for the next day or the next month, they know what's coming and prepare accordingly. This could be as simple as laying out clothes for the next day or planning meals for the week. Thirdly, they declutter regularly. By frequently purging unnecessary items, they maintain a clutter-free environment that promotes productivity and reduces stress. Then, we covered other habits like setting priorities, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, and maintaining a consistent routine. They also understand the value of saying no, keeping digital files organized, investing in quality over quantity, and practicing self-care. Remember, becoming organized is a process. It might seem overwhelming at first, but every journey begins with a single step. Start by incorporating one habit at a time into your routine. As you become comfortable, gradually add more. You'll soon notice how these habits can transform your life, making it more productive and less stressful. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to House Lux Estate for more home-related tips and tricks. We aim to provide you with useful and practical information to make your house a home. Thank you for watching.